Shalom, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Soju TV. I know it has been a while. I've been dealing with Passover, 3 weddings back to back, and just life. It happens. But I'm back, and I'm continuing on with my Numbers 1538 series. And today I'll be showing you all how to make fringes using ribbon. So all you'll need is some ribbon. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I've had it for a while. You want to find ribbon that's wide enough for your desired length of fringes. I think this ribbon here is about 2 inches long or 2 inches wide. I'm about to go ahead and measure it and see. So this is 1.5 inch wide ribbon, and it's fairly inexpensive. I think this was like $4 or something like that at Hobby Lobby. This is a friendly FYI to let you know that Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and Joann's always have 40% off coupons on their websites and on the apps. So you can get something like this for really cheap. 4 yards of ribbon. So if you wanted to make 4 yards of fringes, you can do so using this. So all you'll need is your ribbon and like a pin like this. And I also suggest to have a lighter, and that's so you can finish off the edges once you're done. So I'm going to do a very small example here. I'm going to go ahead and cut off a piece so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I just cut off a piece of ribbon. I'm going to bring this over so you can see. So the first step is you'll cut off this little edge right here all the way along the whole length of the ribbon. Once you cut that off, now you can go ahead and start pulling out the threads so you can get the frayed look. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down right here. So take your pin, and all you want to do is just start going in and pulling the threads down. So you want to just continue doing this. As you can see, the edges are fraying. And I'm a little bit salty about this because I thought this was going to be gold all the way through. But as you can see, I'm going to end up having some white fringes with this ribbon. So you'll just continue doing this. Just pull the threads through. So definitely take your time with this because you don't want to end up pulling the opposite threads. You can see it's coming along. Just take your time with it. Keep pulling the threads out. As you can see here, I'm just about halfway finished. So you'll just go ahead and continue pulling it through. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop about here, and it's up to you how much space you want to have left at the top. And you do want to have space at the top because this is where you're going to put the ribbon or blue at when you get ready to sew these on. So for example, you go my spool of ribbon, you can just take it, go straight to the sewing machine or hand sew, however you normally put your fringes on there, and then there you go. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I will have more videos coming here in the future, and let me go ahead and show you this last step before I forget. I suggest a lighter so that you can burn the edges so it can stop it from fraying. So you'll just take it and just burn it a little bit. I don't know why that flame is so high, but just take it and then go through, burn it up a little bit. That's okay. And then do the same thing to the other side. Just take it and then burn just a little bit, and that'll stop it from fraying. So as you can see, I have fringes here. These are about 1 inch long. You could have went up a little bit further to create them, but that's it for this tutorial. And I say shalom, most high in Christ bless.